Well, perfect afternoon po sa lahat. Maraming maraming salamat for giving me an opportunity just to share with you about family wellness. My name is Arlene Balange. I've been a wellness coach for 30 years. I got started, I was 38 years old. It's been 30 years. So I just turned 67 actually, mother of four. So let me just first help you understand ano ba yung value ng family wellness. And then I will talk about yun pong flyer that we were giving out. Okay po? So let's watch this video po muna.
A home is more than just where we live. It's where we create lasting habits, grow stronger together, and share meaningful moments. At Herbalife, we believe a healthier home starts with simple choices. From nutritious shakes and energizing teas to vitamins and supplements, we help your family stay nourished every day. Together, we can embrace wellness and create memories that last. Build a healthier, happier home together.
So share ko po, there are 7 pillars of good health. Number one is nutrition. Kasama po dito pagkain and supplementation. Physical activity is very important din. Not necessarily pupunta sa gym because your own body is your own important piece of gym equipment. Okay? So like for me, nung nagtungtong po ako ng 60, hindi na ako tumatakbo, but I still walk almost every single day po. At least an hour and a half or two. Then water is also mahalaga, 10 to 12 glasses of water every day. And usually, pag nasa office kayo, hindi kayo umiinom masyado kasi hindi kayo nauuhaw. So you have to find a way to remind yourself na 10 to 12 glasses is kailangan po natin. Kasi minsan po hindi ka naman talaga gutom. Kulang ka lang sa water. And ang brain po natin, hindi yan niya nadidistinguish if gutom ka or uhaw. Okay? So, important din sa health is rest. Now, mahirap ang rest if pagising pa lang napakarami ng problemang iniisip concern sa buhay. Okay? So, that's why po in our community, we teach about emotional, mental health, and spiritual growth. So, ito pong number 5, ang objective is para po ma-achieve mo yung number 4. And just so you know, every Sunday, 7 to 8 a.m., meron po kaming wellness program sa Virtual Nutrition Club. And you are welcome to join us po. And you will really learn, grow, and develop strong emotional, mental, and spiritual growth po. Okay? Then community is also very, very important. Na you have a community na where you socialize with, na make sure they're supportive and a lot of learning to achieve all the 7 pillars, no? And then also, mental activity para wala po tayong mga cognitive problems later on. So if we are going to see each other face to face, you will receive a copy like this. It's called the wellness form and meron po kaming Tanita scale and ini-interpret po namin ito. And so if you look at number 3, for example, visceral fat, ito po yung interpretation namin. So allow your coaches to assess, no? Sa inyo. Total, it's free. Actually, sa hospitals po, may fee po yan, may bayad po yan. So sabi po dyan, visceral fat prevents organs from functioning normally and puts them under huge strain. So too much visceral fat is life-threatening and should be taken very, very seriously. Okay, so, and also, pag affected ang mataas ang visceral fat, chances are, pati po puso ay affected. Makita niyo po dito yung fat sa loob ng body, hindi po yan kayang i-exercise kasi nasa loob. And when I got into Herbalife, I learned na through cellular nutrition, which is cellular science, yan ay makakatulong sa pag-address ng visceral fat. Kaya mapansin natin, maraming taong nag-exercise. Ang uso sa atin sa Philippines is Zumba. um, ano pa rin, very challenging pa rin para lumiit ang mga puson, no? Okay? And so here po, we help people focus on their nutrition. Sabi nga po na sa right side, 80% nutrition, 20% workout if we really want to maintain a healthy, active lifestyle. So, okay ang exercise but it won't help you lose weight, says most doctors po, no? Okay, ang problema ngayon, our food source is not the same anymore because of soil exhaustion, pesticides and pollution, mass production, flash freezing, import and export, unhealthy additives and preservatives. So makita niyo po, nung unang panahon, napakadami pang vitamins and minerals yung lupa natin na therefore, pag kinakain natin yung mga gulay, masustansya. However, ngayon po, yun yung nasa kanan, wala na halos vitamins and minerals. So really, really depleted na po. And ito pa din po, our diet is not balanced. No, marami tayong kinakain na hindi natin kailangan. Kikita niyo po diyan. Sobrang many calories, and there too much saturated fats, simple carbohydrates, alcohol, sugar and salt and so on, no? So sa baba, ito yung mga kailangan natin to really live well, and yan yung hindi natin masyadong na-achieve sa buhay natin. Kaya as a result po, kulang tayo ng energy, regular illness, excess fat, slow metabolism, sugar addiction, caffeine addiction, or even overspending uh, from food. So, sa overweight and obesity po, no, are defined as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that will impair our health. So, makikita natin sa kanan, ito yung mga pwedeng mangyari. Congenital abnormalities, heart disease and stroke, type 2 diabetes, osteoarthritis, and even cancer. So, sa Herbalife po, we offer nutrition for a healthy, active life. And sa cellular nutrition, there are targeted weight management for digestive health, brain health, heart health, healthy aging, energy and fitness din po. Okay? So, as I said kanina, water is very important. Kita nyo sa kanan, hydration is critical. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, constipation, migraines, and dry skin. And also, kailangan natin kumain ng 5 cups of fruits and vegetables. And iyon ang problema ngayon sa buhay natin. We don't really achieve that, no? So, that's why supplementation is really very important. Tapos yung 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night is really, really needed. Kasi it influences our emotional well-being, cognitive functions, daily performance, as well as our physical health. Okay, ito din pala, sleep deprivation can lead to increased risk of a compromised immune system. And then exercise, regular, moderate intensity exercise helps to maintain a proper immune function. So, ano po ba normally ang meal mo, traditional breakfast mo? So, makikita natin, too much carbohydrate intake may lead to increased usage of insulin, which may lead to your body processing the sugar and converting it into excess fats. So, the moment kakain tayo ng carbs, lalo na mga bad carbohydrates sa umaga pa lang, tinapay, kanin, which is our usual, tataas talaga yung blood sugar. Then the body is forced to produce insulin to bring it down. Etong cycle na to repeats many, many times during the day. Okay? And they found out na too much accumulated fats may lead to type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and stroke. And at the same time po, yung pag-skip ng breakfast, hindi siya kumakain. Hindi po yan maganda because while we're sleeping, we're fasting. So pagising, kailangan ng cells natin, hindi lang pagkain. Ang kailangan ng cells natin is proper nutrition to kickstart our day. No? Kasi during the day, by the time kakain ka, gutom ka na naman, and then you revert back to mga bad carbohydrates, which is yun yung madali kasing available sa atin, no? Refined carbohydrates, refined bread, and all that. So what our scientists and nutritionists recommend is protein-based balanced na plan na umaga pa lang, and okay, or any meal you have, your sugar level is normal ang sugar level mo. So walang fluctuations, no? So this one po I've been taking for already 30 years, even when I was pregnant at 39 and 41, no? So, makita nyo, it's no ordinary shake kasi we were given an award ng Euromonitor na we are the number one in the world in meal replacement and food supplements, protein supplements. Number one din kami in the world in weight management and well-being. Number one din kami in the world in active and lifestyle nutrition. So, okay? So, lahat ng mga sustansya na yan, andyan lahat sa shake na yan. So example lang ito, let's say you're on weight management, makikita mo, hindi ka naman gugutumin, kakain ka pa rin. Ginagamit po namin yung meal plan ng Pinggang Pinoy ng Food and Nutrition Research Institute. No? So we have weight maintenance meal plan and weight gain. Okay? So, dito po, you can see, very important sa amin yung nasa community ka. Meron din po kaming online community. Meron din kaming face-to-face na community. It's called Nutrition Club, and then mga activities that the different communities are also running, no? So, share ko lang po ito. This is Grace Razon. She's a mom of three. So, when I met her online, weight gain po siya. And praise God sa results niya because of proper nutrition. She gained weight, and at the same time, yun, nasundan din ng pangatlong anak. Right? So ginamit din niya tuloy-tuloy. And now she's a nutrition club operator also in Cabuyao, Laguna. Ito naman si Sally Jimeno, kita niyo po, no? But let me ask, just please listen to her uh, testimony.
Hello po, I'm Sally Jimeno from San Pedro, Laguna. I-share ko lang po yung result ko. Nag-start po ako sa Herbalife. I weigh 92 pounds. Payat po ako. Sobrang sakitin. Halos laging nasa paggamutan. Maraming masakit sa katawan. Poor ang immunity ko. Walang self-confidence nga po. Sakitin kasi po ako until I found po the solution with our Herbalife Nutrition, yung ating healthy breakfast, yung ating aloe shake. So, ginamit ko naman po siya ng tuloy-tuloy. Ayun po, ginamit ko siya for my breakfast and merienda kasi nga po gaining weight yung program ko. Ayun, sinabayan ko rin po ng mga food supplement natin, yung NRG, Herbalife line, vitamins and minerals, tsaka yung extra cal, marami pa pong iba. Ayun, I'm a government employee dati po. Sobrang hirap kasi ang layo po ng pinagtatrabahuhan ko. Late na late pong umuwi. Tapos yung trabaho, iuwi mo rin. Yun po. Now po, talagang happy po ako na nasa Herbalife ako. Dahil senior citizen na rin po ako, na-enjoy ko na rin po yung life. Dahil unang-una nakakapag-share po ako sa maraming tao. At saka talagang alam ko po ang nutrition partner ko po is number 1 nutrition in the world. Ayan, doon po sa question na sasagutin po, number 1 pong question, can you share a specific milestone or achievement that make you feel proud? So, yun po yun, talagang ipinagmamalaki ko talaga nung nasa Herbalife, dahil yung nagsimula po ako, talagang yung consistently na income po, na nakakatulong po sa personal needs ko. And at the same time po, happy ako dahil ngayon po na nasa church community po, na nasa panahon po kami ng pagawain, talagang tumutulong po ako talaga doon po, na nanggagaling po dito po sa Herbalife income natin. At ang number 2 question, what strategies or habits help you grow your income through this business? So, yung ang nakatulong po talaga sa akin ay yung pagiging consistency po. Talagang kailangan, andun yun. Araw-araw, nagsho-show up ka, at talagang tinatrato mo na ang Herbalife is yung business mo talaga. Hindi lang siya sideline. Yun po. And number 3, how has being part of this community influence your mindset or confidence? Ayun po, talagang malaking tulong po yung community nito dahil sa confident ako, dahil na-realize ko na hindi ako nag-iisa. At saka yung suporta and encouragement dito ang nag-push sa akin para lumabas ako sa comfort zone ko. At saka tulad po ng Virtual Nutrition Club na may community po ako, na nandun po ako, talagang na-push po talaga ako doon, ang self-confidence ko po. And next, number 4, how has being part of this, what was the aha moment that made you go up? Yep, this is it. Yun po, yung aha moment ko po. Yung unang-unang natanggap ko yung first check ko, hindi naman siya ganun kalaki. Pero, alam ko po, the system is work dahil kaya kong palakihin yon by means of your consistency, nandun yung effort mo na talagang gusto mo siyang gawin. Ayan po. Thank you.
Okay, so I hope na-inspire kayo sa story ni Sally.
Hello.
Then I have this lady, young girl. So you can see the effects ng skin, no? sa mga kinakain niya in the past. So she learned how to eat healthy. So ayan na si Ems. And right now, she's also an NC operator coming out of college graduation. Hindi na po siya nagtrabaho, dire-diretso na siyang nagnegosyo as a wellness coach in Pangasinan. Okay, this is also Cecil, my colleague. She used to work as a sa marketing department ng Jollibee. So she's now a full-time wellness coach for well over 24, 25 years na po. Okay? Makikita mo not just physical transformation but even sa lifestyle din po. And then this is another lady, si Baby Villa Ignacio. Uh, may mga health concerns din, but please allow me to share yung kanyang video po.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Baby Villa Ignacio and na-meet ko po ang Herbalife 23 years ago and I considered it godsend sa akin kasi it was the time na napakarami ko pong health challenge and pati energy level ko super baba including my immune system. And ginamit ko po siya for my healthy breakfast and dahil po sa mga natutunan ko sa mga trainings at sa tulong din po ng sponsor ko sa pag-guide sa akin, ginamit ko po siya correctly, consistently, and seriously, nakaramdam po ako eventually ng gradual pagbabago sa aking health condition and eventually nga po ay naging maayos yung aking health and dahil marami po ang nagtanong ano po yung ginagawa ko and nagkwento lang po ako. Hindi ko na malayan sa pagkukwento ko pong yun ay bumuntot na po pala yung business and pati na po family ko ngayon gumagamit na rin and I'm using it for my healthy aging. I just turned 67 po this August kaya feeling ko hindi nagbago yung age ko kasi nandun po yung energy level pa rin na mas younger ang pakiramdam. And for the question po, ano daw po yung specific milestone or achievement na that made me proud? Dahil po sa passion ko sa product and sa pag-share po and kasama po yung hard work, nag-level up po ako sa marketing plan and with the help of my mentors and the team, nag-expand po yung territory ko and nag-qualify ako ng mga higher trainings and even free vacations. Ito po yung I never expected na mabibigyan po ako ng mga major visas like Schengen visa, yung European visa, and US visa kasi na-qualify din po ako sa US vacation. And ito po yung isa sa mga ultimate dream ko and greatest achievement kasi nabigyan po ako ng 10 years US multiple visa na ito po yung ultimate dream ko na makarating sa US kasi doon po nag-work din si husband na mag-visit ko siya sa US din po. So the second question naman po, yung strategies and habits which help me grow my income through this business. Nag-start lang po ako to build relationships with my team and of course colleagues, attend trainings with them, and even use my emotional banking account for better teamwork. And ang na-master ko po yung duplication through mentoring kasi I thought then baka hindi ko makayang masyadong mag-retail kasi pinoprotect ko pa rin yung health situation ko. So ayoko pong i-abuse. So more on mentoring po ang nangyari na ginawa ko. And hindi ko alam, little did I know that I'm doing the right thing pala yung duplication. And with God's grace po, nag-move ako sa mga next level hanggang makarating po ako sa Global Expansion Team 2005 and now praying and qualifying po sa millionaire team level na. Question number 3, being part of Herbalife community truly played a big role in my personal life and family. Yung positivity sa community, I always look for the brighter side even in times ng mga challenges and of course I always thought of there's a bigger God na nandyan siya at hindi tayo pinapabayaan. I also gained many friends, sisters, and brothers in the community and feeling ko nagkaroon ako ng another family in my workplace. Number 4, what is my aha moment that made me go in doing Herbalife? Ito po yung time na nag-attend po ako ng isang event sa Makati first time and I just want to check kung legit po talaga yung company. Gusto ko lang makinig po and napakinggan ko po at nakita yung mga transformations ng mga speakers and sharers na nakaka-amaze and what nakita ko walang pinipili basta may results sa products and sa opportunity. And most of all, na-struck yung aking attention nung magtanong yung speaker na who wants to travel, sabi niya gano'n. And may mga nagtaas ng kamay. Medyo nag-observe lang po ako nun. Pero na-touch po yung ano ko doon, attention ko doon kasi it strike me because nagdi-dream po ako na magkaroon din ako ng US visa. Kasi narinig ko yung isang nag-share na isang farmer at hindi nakapag-aral pa ay nagkaroon ng 10-year US multiple visa. So sabi ko, naisip ko lang, if I make good and do the hard work, may possibility na mangyari din sa akin yung possibility nung speaker na yon. And yun po yung isa sa mga nag-push sa akin na to work hard on my craft dito po sa Herbalife. Hello po.
Okay, so also, I hope those stories have inspired you. And of course, one of the top players in the world, si Cristiano Ronaldo, is our Herbalife ambassador because he really takes the products. The same time po, 5 national Olympic committees around the world and 190 athletes, teams, and leagues are fueled by Herbalife products, no? So let me also share the amazing results of this lady. Ayan po siya. Okay, so a lot of amazing health improvements din. Okay, the husband din, sobrang grabe ang improvement sa health. Okay, then this is Doc Eric Herrera, a pulmonologist. So please let us hear naman his testimony.
Good day po sa lahat. By the way, I am Doc Eric Herrera. Isa po akong pulmonologist. And I just want to share this specific milestone that I'm really proud to share. As a doctor na hectic and busy ang araw-araw, wala na talaga akong time to eat healthy. Kasi I readily eat whatever is available. And most of the time, I make bad choices, picking the unhealthy fast foods. Buti na lang, we found a solution na di pala reason ang pagiging busy not to eat healthy. It's just a matter of choice. I'm proud to say that since I've decided to improve my health, I made a commitment to get serious with my result and minimize talaga yung mga unhealthy food choices ko before. And I'm telling you, kaya pala talaga kung gugustuhin natin. I am proud to lose 20 pounds and 4 inches ng waistline ko because of the commitment I gave sa sarili ko. As I get good results, madami ang nakapansin and nagtanong, paano ko ginawa? At madali lang pala to most of them. So, they really wanted to give it a try. Just be consistent with your result and never stop sharing sa ibang tao. Hanggang dumami ng dumami ang alaga namin. And now, we're 11 years doing Herbalife. Malaki din ang naging tulong ng Herbalife community sa journey ko at ng family ko because we support one another. Ibang-iba na yung mindset ko ngayon and confidence about our products. Siguro, ang pinaka-aha or deciding moment ko parate of doing Herbalife is yung equal opportunity and amazing lifestyle and life transformation na kaya niya ibigay para sa lahat, regardless sa background natin. Pinaka-fulfilling sa akin is how I touch other people's lives and how thankful they are that they've met Herbalife through sa aming mag-asawa. Yun talaga ang hindi matatawaran. Having said this, thank you for this opportunity to share po. See you around.
So, dahil bilib na bilib si Doc Eric, eto, the wife is also using the program. Dati po siyang full-time employee in a telecommunication company. Eventually din po, nakita yung opportunity, nag-decide din na maging wellness coach, no? So, ngayon, ang family nila, that's the latest picture on the right, yan. So, lahat sila ay supported by nutritional support dahil sa Herbalife. Okay, ito naman, amazing din po itong girl na to. Ayan, pakinggan lang natin.
Ayan, hello everybody. I'm Lina Arevalo. Before Herbalife, I used to weigh 176 pounds. Pero that time, wala pa akong plano magpapayat. Kaya lang at age 28, ang dami akong discomforts, mataas yung blood sugar, 200, may PCOS po ako. In-advise ng OB-GYN ko na tanggalin yung ovary ko, kaya lang magbibigay po ako ng bata. So natakot ako, hindi na ako bumalik sa OB-GYN ko. Meron ako migraine, grabe, severe migraine talaga. Saka urinary tract infection ko 3 years on and off. So I'm blessed kasi Shiner may nag-share sa akin. Thank you, Mother Lulu, kasi ikaw po talaga yung angel ko sa Herbalife. So, dini ko siya correctly, consistently, at saka religiously. So, ngayon, ang ganda. So, talaga proud na proud ako kasi naabot ko naman yung gusto ko talaga sa Herbalife, yung wellness goal ko talaga. At syempre, energized talaga ako. Grabe energy ko. So, ang background ko po, high school graduate ako. So, wala akong alam sa business. Ang alam ko lang, kinain ko to the max yung product, linaklak to the max yung products. Then, saka ka-attend ko ng mga training. So, akala ko before, makapag-abroad ako magdi-DH, no? Pero dahil sa Herbalife, no? Grabe, hindi. Hindi ko ma-imagine na rating ko. Yung dating nakikita ko lang sa postcard, yung Opera House at saka Harbor Bridge. Dahil sa Herbalife, napuntahan ko na po yan. Nakapag-attend po ako ng international training sa Australia. So, yung pinaka-biggest achievement ko talaga nakuha sa Herbalife. Okay? Then, syempre, I keep on attending. Malaking tulong sa Herbalife business ko yung mga trainings natin, local and international, syempre, at saka I surrounded myself sa mga successful na mga Herbalife distributor, lalo na kay Mother Arlene. Siya po talaga yung nagme-mentor sa akin. Thank you, Mother Arlene, kasi hindi mo po ako pinabayaan, hindi mo po talaga ako, andyan ka po talaga umaalalay sa akin, ano? So, yung mga daily method of operation ko po, ginagawa ko po siya, consistent po talaga siya. At saka, syempre, yung mga natutunan ko sa Herbalife training, ina-apply ko din po siya. Then, alam mo yung dating, syempre, wala po akong alam, no? High school graduate ako, yung wala akong alam na talagang sobrang wala akong confidence sa sarili ko dahil sa Herbalife result ko, dahil sa akatay ko ng mga training. Grabe ngayon yung confident ko. Nakakapag-talk na po ako sa virtual 100% club, at saka hindi na po ako takot mag-share ng Herbalife kasi alam ko po napakaganda yung product natin. 4 po yung customer ko pong doktor. So, very confident po ako mag-share sa kanila kahit doktor sila kasi alam ko yung Herbalife natin is number 1, hindi po siya number 2 in the world pagdating po talaga sa meal replacement. So, saka alam nyo naman po yan, number 1 talaga. So, ngayon, ang pinaka-aha moment ko po talaga is yung umattend po ako ng international trade event na extravaganza. Nakita ko po yung 20,000, more than 20,000 na mga distributors na iba't ibang background, nanggagaling sa 14 Asian countries, iba't ibang background, may naka-wheelchair sa Herbalife kasi hindi pala namimili ng anong background mo as long as willing ka mag-work, willing ka talagang matuto. Kaya nasabi ko, ito yung aha, nasabi ko sa kanya, ito yung company, sarili ko na aha, ito yung company na pwede kong gawin kagaya sa akin na wala po akong alam, wala po akong background, so kung kaya ng iba, kaya ko din gagawa yung Herbalife business. So, thanks you so much, bye!
So, again, disclaimer lang po ha. The products are not drugs nor medicine. It does not cure anything. Pagkain lang po kami. Dahil nga sabi ko nga kanina, kulang na sa sustansya ang mga pagkain. And so, yan yung reason why people are gaining weight, nagkakasakit, okay, walang energy, yan. So, food gives your body nutrition, so your body uses nutrition to heal itself. And sa akin po, it's healthy aging. And please, tandaan nyo po, ah, lahat po tayo, regardless of age, kailangan ng nutritional support. Very, very important po. Sa mga bata, it's for growth and development. At saka sa pag-aaral nila, kailangan kasi nakaka-affect din sa school performance and behavior ng mga bata. Okay? So, dito naman po, sabi ko dyan, to live a great life is to serve the many. That is the life I live today. I'm so grateful sa Panginoon. It's been 30 years and I'd like to share more of how I've done it. 30 years. Um, Recording here is not enough. So, text niyo po ako. May number naman po, no, sa Viber. Yung 0917-890-1851. Again, 0917-890-1851 para mag-schedule po tayo ng further briefing, no? Okay. So, ito po yung iba-ibang programs but for me, kung you found this interesting, mas gusto ko na just start with the basic one, the shake lang. Okay, you don't need all the others, no? Okay, so um also, by the way, nagra-run kami ng Mission Healthier Challenge. So, please text me para malaman mo kailan ang acceptance period, kailan ulit mag-start yung next lap. Kasi sayang din yung opportunity na makaka-join ka and kung you'll be really motivated. It's lang duration of 10 days ng 10 days. And then you can just simply start with a shake. So, yun lang po. I hope I have shared something of value sa inyo. So, amazing talaga my journey 30 years po, no? So, ang background ko ay CPA and I finished my master's in AIM. So, lahat yun give up ko because of this incredible company and opportunity. So, God bless po.